This food court is extremely crowded today.
Saturday afternoons are always like this here.
Look, there's a small table near the window.
Great eyes. Let's grab it before someone else does.
I am so glad we finally found a place to sit.
My tray is getting heavy with all this food.
Put it down carefully. The surface looks a bit slippery.
There we go. Mission accomplished.
The view of the city from here is actually lovely.
It is much better than sitting in the dark corner.
Did you get the spicy chicken or the grilled one?
I chose the extra spicy version with chili sauce.
You are very brave to eat that for lunch.
I love a little bit of heat in my meals.
My salad looks very green and healthy in comparison.
Health is important for a busy English teacher like you.
Teaching verbs all morning makes me very hungry.
I can imagine that requires a lot of energy.
Did you remember to get some napkins from the counter?
Oh, I completely forgot about the napkins in the rush.
No problem. I have some tissues in my small bag.
You are always so well prepared for every situation.
It is a habit I developed at school with my students.
The smell of the Italian pizza nearby is incredible.
Maybe we should try that place next time we visit.
I agree. Their crust looks thin and perfectly crispy.
For today, this chicken and salad will be enough.
Let's start eating before the food gets completely cold.
Enjoy your meal, Mark. You definitely earned it.
Thank you, Sophie. Enjoy your fresh garden salad too. Wow, this sauce is even hotter than I expected.
Your face is turning a little bit red already.
My tongue feels like it is on fire right now.
Quick, take a sip of your cold lemonade.
That helps a lot. Thank you for the suggestion.
Do you want to try a piece of my cucumber?
Yes, please. I need something cool to stop the heat.
Here you go. It is very fresh and watery.
That is much better. My mouth feels normal again.
You should be careful with those red peppers.
I think I will move them to the side of the plate.
Wise choice. Safety first when it comes to spices.
How is your balsamic dressing tasting today?
It is perfect. A nice balance of sweet and sour.
The croutons in your bowl look very crunchy.
They are toasted with garlic and olive oil.
I can smell the garlic from across the table.
It is a bit strong, but I really like it.
Look at the person with the giant mountain of fries.
That is enough potatoes to feed a whole family.
People really love the fast food section in this mall.
It is fast, easy, and usually very delicious.
My chicken is actually very tender under the sauce.
The quality here is surprisingly good for a food court.
I am starting to feel full after just 5 bites.
Take your time. We are not in a hurry today.
I want to finish the rice too. It looks fluffy.
Rice is a great way to balance the spicy flavors.
You sound like a professional chef, Sophie.
I just watch a lot of cooking shows on weekends.
Write 1 English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
Do you want a couple of my cherry tomatoes?
I would love some. They look very ripe.
I will put them on your tray right here.
In return, please have some of my golden corn.
Thank you. Corn is my favorite vegetable.
It is sweet and goes well with your salad.
We are creating a brand new dish together.
The Mark and Sophie special sounds like a hit.
We could sell the recipe to the mall management.
We would become food court millionaires in a week.
That would be much easier than explaining grammar.
But you love teaching your students, don't you?
I do. Their progress makes me feel very proud.
I saw some of them in the park earlier today.
They are probably enjoying the sun after the exams.
The exams were very difficult this semester, I heard.
My students worked hard and deserved a break.
Just like we deserve this nice lunch together.
Exactly. It is important to relax sometimes.
The background music is a bit loud in this area.
It is a popular pop song from the radio.
I prefer the quiet atmosphere of a small cafe.
I agree, but the variety of food here is better.
That is the main advantage of a big food court.
You can get sushi while I get a burger.
And we can still sit at the same table.
It makes everyone in the group happy.
I think I am ready for a little break from eating.
Me too. My salad bowl is almost empty.
Let's rest for a minute before we look for dessert.
Wait, be careful with your elbow, Mark.
Oh no, I just bumped my cup of soda.
Half of the liquid is spilling across the table.
I am so sorry. I was being too clumsy.
Quick, lift your tray before it gets wet.
I have the tray, but the soda is moving fast.
Use these tissues to block the flow of the drink.
You saved my hoodie from a giant sticky stain.
It was a very close call, but we stopped it.
I will go and get some more napkins from the stand.
Grab a damp cloth if you see one nearby.
I will be back in less than a minute. Stay there.
I'm holding the dry tissues down to soak it up.
I found a helpful staff member with a cleaning spray.
That is perfect. The table will be clean again.
He's very fast at cleaning these accidental spills.
Thank you very much for helping us, sir.
Now the table is even cleaner than when we arrived.
Accidents happen when the place is this busy.
I should hold my cup with both hands from now on.
Don't worry about it. Everything is fine.
At least my spicy chicken stayed on the plate.
That would have been a much bigger mess to clean.
I think I need a new drink to replace the spilled one.
Get a small water this time. It is safer.
Water sounds like a very smart and logical choice.
I will finish my last crouton while you are away.
I will be very quick. I promise not to trip.
Take your time. The floor might be wet over there.
I am walking like a cat, very slowly and carefully.
I am back with a fresh bottle of spring water.
Perfect. And I see you found something else, too.
I couldn't resist the smell of the bakery next door.
Is that a giant donut with strawberry frosting?
It is the donut of the day with colorful sprinkles.
It looks like something from a cartoon movie.
I also bought a small chocolate muffin for you.
You are too kind. That looks absolutely delicious.
I remembered that you love dark chocolate and nuts.
The nuts on top are perfectly roasted and shiny.
Let's share the donut as well. It is way too big for me.
I will cut it in half with this plastic knife.
The dough feels very soft and light.
This is the best part of visiting the food court.
Sugar always makes the afternoon feel much better.
I think my students would love these giant donuts.
You should bring a box to the classroom on Monday.
They would never focus on their grammar again.
True, they would only dream about strawberry frosting.
The strawberry flavor is very natural. Try a bite.
It tastes like real summer berries.
The chocolate muffin is also very rich and moist.
I am glad we decided to stay for dessert.
It was a great decision after our spicy lunch.
My mouth is finally cool and happy.
Look at the kids near the ice cream stand.
They look so excited about their blue vanilla cones.
The food court is a place of pure joy for them.
It is a place of joy for us too, Sophie.
I couldn't agree more with that statement, Mark.
I feel very satisfied after this wonderful meal.
My energy is back. I am ready for more shopping.
Are you looking for some new books for your classes?
Yes, the bookstore on the third floor has a sale.
I need to find a new pair of running shoes today.
We should probably clear our table for the next people.
I will put all the trash in the recycling bin.
I will take the trays back to the designated area.
Teamwork makes the cleaning process much faster.
The food court is getting even louder than before.
More people are arriving for an early dinner.
It is definitely time for us to move to the shops.
Thank you for the great company during lunch, Sophie.
Thank you for the muffin and the funny spicy face.
I will never forget the heat of that chicken.
I will remind you next time we look at the menu.
Please do. My tongue needs a long vacation.
Let's take the escalator to the upper level.
The glass elevator has a better view of them all.
Good idea. I love seeing all the decorations from above.
The afternoon sun is shining through the glass roof.
It makes the whole place feel very bright and open.
I am ready to find those perfect running shoes.
And I am ready to find some classic English novels.
It was a very successful visit to the food court today.
I'm glad we found that table by the window.
It made the whole experience much more pleasant.
See you at the bookstore in about an hour?
Deal. I will meet you near the entrance.
Have fun shopping, Mark. See you very soon.